All right, so a lot of you ask me how do I develop my hamstrings, and it's not through things like deadlifts, because with deadlifts, the limiting factor is your spine and your grip. So what I do is I pick movements that strategically work the hamstrings, ideally both functions. The hamstrings flex the knee and they extend the hip. Sliding leg curls are the best exercise. You have to pick one for the hamstrings to do it because it works both functions. You work the hip extension isometrically and you work the knee flexion dynamically. And it's so good for strengthening the hamstrings, improving mobility through that entire hip hamstring area, but also the stretch under load with a slow tempo prevents hamstring strains. One of the most commonly strained muscle is the hamstring. So we're gonna do 1 minute weak side, one leg sliding leg curls. Second minute is the strong side, one leg sliding leg curls. You finish the third minute of the 3-minute block here is gonna be 2 leg sliding leg curls. That can also be done at a faster tempo. The one-legged versions, we're going more slow control. It's not like as, it's not truly eccentric isometric. You don't have to count how long it goes out, but you wanna control the out portion, pause briefly, bring it back in. We are trying to get more reps eventually on each of these movements. So, and by the way, there's, I say minute. If you need to kind of take a 5 to 10 second break between them, or even up to 20 seconds, it could be a 40-20 for the 3 movements, 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off. You can build up to 45-15, 50-10, 55-5. Usually a 10-second transition between them is ideal. But again, it's all about trying to get as much work as possible in a 3-minute block. So here we go. We're gonna start here. I'll just show one leg here. And we're gonna do, again, I like to actually have, you can use a Bosu ball, a sand dune step, or a pillow pad. I like to elevate the head because it helps kind of take, I just don't like the head back like that when I'm doing these movements. I'm gonna get into kind of a crunch position, which allows me to get more of a posterior pelvic tilt, all right? And that's gonna allow for more glute activation, better mechanics, less stress in the low back. We don't wanna hypersend the back. We wanna really kind of get that ab crunch position locked in. I think this helps a lot. So what I'm gonna do is tuck one knee to the chest. I'm gonna get on, you can start on the foot flat position here because that's actually helpful to ensure you start with full hip extension and then you're gonna try to maintain that throughout. So here we go. I'm up, abs are crunch, glutes are tight, and then I'm gonna slowly slide out and control, pause it, see how the hip maintains extension, the butt's not touching the ground, all right, and then I pull back in. And then use that opportunity right there to reset and make sure you got that hip position locked in. So slide out slowly, pause, bring it back. Slow, pause, bring it back. Now, many of you complain they got hamstring cramps, they really tighten up on me, so this might be really tough for you. Here's how to modify it. Just do the eccentric only, cheat back. So what I do is I'm here, slow, slow. In this case, you'd want to go about 4 or 5 seconds if you're doing the eccentric only, and then drop the hips, bring it back, reset. So that's how you can build up to doing the full range of motion movement, cheat, bring it back, and then eventually you'll do the full movement where you slide out and control, and then you're actually using the muscles to bring you back. The 2-legged version, it's just what you thought. So right leg, left leg, you try to match the reps on each leg. That's why you want to start weak side first. So usually, like when I did this recently, I tried to get 12 reps on both legs, and I was trying to get 20, at least 20 reps if I could of the 2-legged version at the end, but it's tough. So I'm here, locked in, and this is where you can actually go a little bit faster, try to get more pump and burn in the muscles from that pre-fatigue. Obviously, one leg is going to be possibly working hard than the others in the sense that whatever side you started with gets a little more rest. This one just did that second set, so it's going to feel a little more fatigue. Because it's already the strong side, it kind of equals out. You could also, if you wanted to, and you don't have really a true weak or strong side, you could switch which leg starts the movement. But this is an amazing way to flood the hamstrings with blood, develop a mind-muscle connection, bulletproof the joints, and again, develop the legs. For me, one of the things I take a lot of pride in with my legs, they look the same up and down. The shape is the same on the top from the quad sweep into the hamstring. They basically mirror each other. That's the symmetry and development we're looking for through this program. By day 365, I don't want to just add mass to your lower body. I want to create those curves that are simultaneous up and low where they mirror each other. That's when you know you've got wheels of steel. This one will change your life. Good luck.